If you're passionate about healthcare, innovation, and making a tangible difference in people's lives, this course in clinical and translational research is your gateway to a fulfilling and impactful career. Clinical research is at the heart of medical breakthroughs. From developing life-saving treatments to improving the quality of patient care worldwide. By enrolling in this course, you will gain the skills and knowledge needed to play a pivotal role in advancing science and healthcare. Why clinical research? The field of clinical research offers unparalleled opportunities for those who are eager to contribute to society's well-being. Whether it's through running clinical trials, managing critical data, or designing studies that lead to new treatments, the possibilities are vast. Clinical research professionals are in high demand, with roles spanning from data management to clinical trial coordination, all of which are essential to transforming scientific discoveries into real-world medical advancements. What's in it for you? 1. Hands-on experience. Learn through practical assignments and real-world examples that prepare you for the challenges and rewards of clinical research. 2. Impactful career. Your work in clinical research could directly contribute to developing new therapies, eradicating diseases, and improving healthcare outcomes globally. 3. Growing industry. The field of clinical research is rapidly expanding, offering long-term career growth, whether in academia, pharmaceutical companies, healthcare organizations, or government agencies. The demand for skilled professionals is higher than ever. 4. Personal fulfillment. The work you'll do in clinical research isn't just about data and trials. It's about helping people live better lives. The sense of purpose that comes from contributing to groundbreaking healthcare solutions is unmatched. Get started on your path to success. By joining this course, you'll gain the essential skills to navigate the world of clinical research. This is more than just a course. It's the first step toward a meaningful career where you can contribute to medical innovation, improve patient care, and make a real difference in the world. Take the leap today and let us help guide you toward a successful future in clinical research. Share the opportunity. Don't keep this incredible opportunity to yourself. If you know friends, classmates, colleagues, or professionals who are also interested in making an impact in the field of healthcare, invite them to join you in this course. Whether they're looking to pivot into clinical research or enhance their existing knowledge, this program is perfect for anyone passionate about advancing science and improving patient outcomes. The skills and expertise you'll gain here will set you on a successful career path. So why not share that opportunity with others? Encourage those around you to enroll and take advantage of the chance to learn, grow, and contribute to groundbreaking work in clinical and translational research. The more minds we bring together, the more we can achieve, both in this course and in the world of medical research.